Right now at 11, red flag warnings are on the way for Southern California. That means SoCal Edison could shut off power to thousands of people. Welcome to CBS 2 News at 11 and streaming on CBS in Los Angeles. I'm DeMarco Morgan.
And I'm Suzanne Marquez. The high fire danger is real with those Santa Ana winds coming in.
Edison doesn't want downed power lines to cause another disaster. Some areas are still recovering from the last major fires, and we have live team coverage this morning. Meteorologist Danielle Gersh is tracking the fire danger, but first, Tina Patel is live in Malibu where those planned outages could happen. Tina, good morning.
Good morning. The winds are calm right now, but they are expected to pick up tomorrow, and that's why Southern California Edison is putting an alert out to homeowners now.
It's like another planet, another world, a different dimension.
People in Malibu say last year's Woolsey fire was devastating. The winds made it nearly impossible to get under control.
It was just really strong and huge and made it across, and unfortunately we do have these goldies and lots of trees.
The rebuilding is just beginning for many homeowners, so the red flag warnings this week make them nervous.
I think anytime there's fire conditions, when you get like the Santa Ana winds or whatever, you're aware and you're cognizant and you're looking around and you're paying attention.
Southern California Edison has put out alerts saying they may shut off the power tomorrow to minimize the risk of lines coming down and sparking a fire. Some people understand the precaution.
It's definitely a pain for everybody living here to have their power go out for a day, but I don't know. I mean, safety first.
If the power does get cut, it will only be temporary. But some homeowners say with fire a year-round threat now, they'd like to see the power company consider more permanent solutions.
This is the time to try to do things underground, so to keep going upright with power doesn't really make much sense.
Now, it is not just Malibu where this could be an issue. Across Southern California, there's about 173,000 people who live in areas that Edison says is high risk. They say, though, they will alert homeowners before they actually do shut off the power if it comes to that.